Trying to pick the right beauty products can be such a pain, but it is important to identify, or at least learn to identify, some of the main things that we should just not be putting on our skin. It is a no-no. And it's not possible sometimes for everything to be 100% organic and toxin-free. Here are the things I want you guys to be looking for when you're picking out your beauty products. All right, let's start with the first one. Parabens. I love this. This is going to be like big word time, so hopefully you're taking notes. So parabens are a common preservative. They're actually used in beauty products to prevent things like mold or yeast or bacteria from growing in your different products. Well, that's all well and good. However, parabens have also been linked to being hormone disruptors. Now, what does that mean for you? Lots of language, right? Well, what it means is it messes up our estrogen levels, our progesterone levels, our thyroid, and so much more, leading us to a higher risk for different diseases that are hormone-based. And yes, that includes the C word, cancer. I'm going to put it out there and say it. In addition to that, we're finding really high levels of parabens in utero and in the unborn baby. Think about it, guys. Our little babies are starting out life filled with some of these chemicals, more so than any other generation before. Not only do we not want it for our skin, we want to protect ourselves, our health, and even the health of our unborn babies. Now I get to word number 2. Phthalates are found in plastic. They make everything soft and pliable, so the smoothness of whatever cream or powder or whatever you're using. However, phthalates are also connected to disease. We know they also increase the risk for hormone disruption and are toxic to ourselves and to our environment. So stay away from phthalates for sure. I got to look at my notes here because there are 2 phthalates I can't say. And if you guys can say them, you're going to get a prize of some kind. We'll figure it out what it is later. But dibutyl phthalate is found in nail polish, and dimethyl phthalate is found in hairspray. All right, so let's say that 10 times. All right, the next one is benzophenone. So benzophenone is found in a lot of our sunscreen. So again, reading that label and making sure it's not in there is a way to avoid this particular chemical, which again is connected to a lot of different issues and harms the skin. All right, triclosan. You might have been following the triclosan debate a few years ago. It's actually an antibacterial. It's used in a lot of hand soaps and hand sanitizers, which everybody is using right now. But triclosan also has long-term health effects, so we want to keep it off of our skin and prevent ourselves from absorbing it. And then last but not least is something called retinol palmitate, which is also used in sunscreens. It's used in a lot of anti-aging products. We don't want to use this on our skin, guys. This actually is bad for our skin. It increases oxidative stress, which is going to further damage to the skin barrier. Remember, your skin is the largest detox organ that you have, so the more you can do for it, the better. So keep these 5 ingredients off your face, off your bodies, and hopefully out of your system. Don't forget to subscribe. I post new videos every Thursday. Check it out.